There's 5 requirements to having a successful phone call, and you've got less than a minute to get them. 92% of your customers are using the phone to call around before they ever go into a dealership, and that's why you need to know these requirements. Otherwise, they're not coming in to see you. Give and you shall receive. Give your name and get their name. 2, give them a reason you need to call them back. Get their number. 4, set an appointment. And then 5, lock that appointment up so they actually show up. And don't do these out of order. Otherwise, you're not going to close nearly enough deals. Out of the 92% that are calling you in other stores, these customers come up with the same concerns. What's your out the door price? What's my trade worth? I've got your price beat. Is that the best you can do? To handle these concerns, you've got to say the right things on the phone. Easier said than done. Such as, if you merely ask a customer to come into your dealership, most are going to say, you know what, let me think it over and I'll get back to you. But they don't call back. So I've got word tracks for you to use. Yes, scripts, but they don't sound like scripts. I'm going to lead you through how to make money on the phone so you'll know exactly what to say, when to say it, and how to say it. Join me for an hour of mastering the techniques that it takes to get appointments and deals closed over the phone. You're going to find it's not always about price, but it's about saying the right things in the right order at the right times. This webinar is going to be entertaining and informative. Best of all, you're going to be able to set more appointments and close more sales. So all you have to do is click the Register Now button on how to make more money on the phone.